Merry Christmas! I'm actually hoping that I'm the first person to wish you guys Merry Christmas this year. Now, how has been your year? How has been your January to December, especially with regards to your finances? Did you set any objectives? Did you meet your objectives? Or has the year been one of those years that you are wishing so much to end? If your year has been a bad one, if things have been tough for you, don't worry. In this video, I would like to take you through how you can make some little coin over this festive season so that come January, you have something in your pockets, or you can start your January with finances. Or if your year has been a tough one, let me say one hell of a year, I would like to give you some tips on side hustles that you can undertake during this festive season to earn some money or to earn some little coins in your pocket. But you know the norm. Before we get into the video or into the nitty-gritties of this video of the side hustles that I'm going to share with you, press that subscribe button. For those who've already subscribed, thank you so much. You are actually the reason that I keep doing these informative videos. Now, a side hustle is something that you do besides your ordinary source of revenue. If you are employed, you have a 9 to 5. A side hustle will be what you do beside your 9 to 5. You can either be doing it directly or you can employ someone to run that business on your behalf. But now, during these festive seasons, which side hustles can we undertake? Which side hustles can you take, or how can you make money during these festive seasons? I want to give you a list of these items here. Number one, cooking. You can cook snacks. Cook and sell snacks. Things like samosas, mandazis, chapatis, crepes, hot dogs, all those many things that the snacks that people eat during their festivities or during parties. You can you can cook these snacks and sell them. It's around this time also that we experience a lot of graduations. You can cook for these guys who are having their parties. Some of them host in Airbnbs, some of them host in their homes. You can even in schools. You can cook and sell snacks for these people or for these groups of people, right? Now, that brings me on to the next point. I've told you it's around this season that we see a lot of graduations. Check the dailies, ask around in your network, see the institutions that are about to hold their graduations and go and sell graduation wares theirs. When people attend graduations, those who have gone to witness the graduations, their kids' graduation, their children graduating or their relatives or friends, they get thirsty, they get hungry, so you can go and sell snacks at those graduation venues. You can arrange to sell these graduation gifts, these glittering things that we see people wear or around their necks, the cards, graduation cards. You can sell so many things. You know the things that people buy during or around graduation venues, right? So you can plan around graduations and sell things in those graduation places, right? Now, still around this graduation and the festivities, you can host parties. Ask around for people who want to host a party and plan for them a party. You can do this in an Airbnb. You don't even need to book a hotel. You go in there, you decor the room, and you fix for them meals so that when they come from the graduation party, they come to entertain themselves to the Airbnb that you have ready for them. Now, something else that you can do is doing decoration. Let me ask you, when you walk around town during Christmas, have you guys ever seen the balloon setups, the Christmas tree setup? Do you think it is done for free? Or the lights on the buildings, do you think it is done for free? What makes you think that you cannot do that on retail level in people's homes? Personally, I need a Christmas tree here but I am not talented. I don't know how to set it up. Yeah, so I'm going to have somebody set up for me my Christmas tree here, right? I've always been helped year in, year out. I admit I don't know how to set it up. I'm going to have somebody do it for me, and it's not going to be for free. So you can be this person also who sets up Christmas trees for people in their homes, just the same way that it's done for institutions. And even if you're not doing the setup, you can do the shopping, the Christmas shopping, Christmas decor shopping on behalf of people. You can do the selling, the Christmas decor selling on behalf of people. So there's a lot of way you can play around Christmas decor and make money from it as a side hustle. Do you know how to bake? You can do Christmas cakes. Baking is another way that you can make money. I know I already talked about snacks, but you can also bake either professionally or even for your friends and make money out of it. Now, another way that you can make money or another side hustle is babysitting or pet sitting. Especially when people travel out of town and they leave their dogs or their cats around, you can do pet sitting for them. We also know that we transition from Christmas to school opening, and around this time, some parents do back to school shopping. So you can do back to school shopping on behalf of parents or on behalf of other parents who are busy and may not have time to go shopping, right? So you can do back to school shopping, and it's also around this time that parents sell the books that their kids had. You can be a broker of parents who are selling old books and parents who are sourcing for the new books. Make a list, be on the lookout for parents who want to sell the books that their kids had, the textbooks, right? Make a list of those parents, of those contacts, and the books that they have and the grades, right? And then you'll pair these guys with the people who want to buy these books, the used books. So you can be a broker of people who sell old books and people who buy old textbooks, reused textbooks. All right? There are so many ways that you can make money over this season. What are you doing? What other ways do you think that we can make money over Christmas? What other ways do you think that we can make money over Christmas? Or how does your friends make money? Or how did you make a killing during Christmas? Do leave me a comment in the comment section on how else you think you can make money over Christmas, or which other side hustles you know about that we can use to make money over this festive season. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and see you on the next video.